Hi friends, welcome to the unboxing video of AMD Ryzen 5 processor. As here you can see, I have the box pack of the processor, and on the box pack here the AMD logo was given, and here the Ryzen branding and the 5, and on this side the stock cooler image was given, and what inside the box was written. As here you can see, it is written that you get the AMD Ryzen processor, AMD thermal solution and installation instruction with limited warranty information. And on this side it is written that you need a additional hardware, means you need a dedicated graphics card to take the all advantage and all power of this processor. And as you can see, this side is orange in color, and again here the AMD logo. On this side comes the beast, which is AMD Ryzen 5 processor, and on top as you can see here it is written that the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. Yes, I have the Ryzen 5 second generation 2600, which have 6 cores 12 thread processor, and it can have 3.9 maximum boost and 3.4 GHz base boost. As again here it is written you need a dedicated graphics card. Here as you can see the price is mentioned as 24,000, but you can get more cheaper than this. And here you can see month and year of import is 9/2018, and here the customer care number and the mail ID of the AMD. So that's all on the box pack of the Ryzen 5 processor. So let's unbox it. So on unboxing, on this side you get the processor itself. We will get back to the processor, and this is the stock fan. As you can see, this is the stock fan. Let me put this box aside. So let me take this out, the stock fan. You can see this is the stock fan that you get inside the box, which is not of RGB type, or the logos on here does not glows up. And this stock fan is better than the stock fan that you get inside the Intel processors. And here you can see the thermal paste is already been applied, and yes, its quality is good, and its fan size is also quite large, and this wire is gripped with some nylon type finish, so it's a good quality wire is given. So let me put this fan on side and get back to the processor itself. So this is the processor, and it yes, it is a beast. So let's open that. So on first opening, as you can see, first you get the installation instruction, and nothing special in this. This is written in English and Chinese. So let me put that, and this is the processor. Let me take out from that. Inside here you also get a sticker of Ryzen 5. As you can see, this is the sticker that you get inside the box. You can put it on your cabinet. So as you can see, this is the processor. Let me take out. This is the processor. As you can see, here also written AMD Ryzen 5 2600 and the AMD logo and the Ryzen branding, and here you can see its model number is written, and it is saying that it is diffused in USA but manufactured in China. On the back the gold plated connectors were given, which is going to connect with your motherboard. So this is the processor. We are building our dream PC, or you can say a powerful PC. It will be a better processor for you if you are going to do the gaming and the online streaming. You must go with it. If you are a creator and using your PC for video editing or that more. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you.